So today I'm sharing some of the best drugstore foundation brushes that I personally reach out for.
These all brushes are really good for foundation application and blending, and I'll show you what each brush is best for because different brushes shapes gives very different finishes. Starting with this PAC Contouring Brush 247. Even though it's technically a contour brush, it works really well for foundation too, and I have been using it since years. It has a flat angled shape and very densely packed bristles which helps blend the foundation really smoothly into the skin, and I have washed it so many times and you can see that brush looks slightly old. I really like to use it for foundation. Let's move on to the next brush, which is PAC S03 Foundation Blending Brush. Now this brush is designed more for blending the foundation after application. Now the question is why after application? So sometimes there are streaks visible. Now if you want to remove that, you can use this, or you can use it to just apply foundation as it is with this single brush. It has soft and dense bristles and it gives a really nice airbrushed finish on the skin. Very close match for the previous PAC brush is this Cuffs and Lashes brush, which is F013 Deep Angled Foundation Brush. It has deep angled shape with very soft bristles, which makes blending very easy. I like this type of brush because the angle helps reach the areas like around the nose and under the eyes more easily. Also, these brushes you can continue to use to apply blush and contouring later on after foundation blending. Now the next brush is this PAC S02 Angular Foundation Brush. The angled shape again gives very good control while blending the foundation. I like the physique of this foundation brush actually because it's very sturdy in my hand. So it also depends which type of brush you will enjoy in your hand. So the blending is again very good. It just evenly spreads and helps avoid the streaky application. Okay, enough of angular brushes. Now let's see this PAC T02 foundation blending brush. Now why this is very unique is because it has this innovative T-shaped design which offers enhanced grip and precision. It allows the dense and ultra soft bristles to blend the foundation evenly for flawless and skin-like finish. Initially I thought it will be very heavy, but it's super lightweight yet very strong and sturdy brush. Okay, now very different and unique design again like the previous one is this 4-in-1 magnetic makeup brush by PAC. Now why 4-in-1? Because the small 3 brushes get attached to the main body with magnetic design. It basically makes it travel friendly and compact, so you can either travel with this or you can use at home also. These 3 small brushes, one you can use for concealer, the other 2 you can use for eyeshadow, and the main brush for foundation, and it really works well with foundation because the bristles are very soft and dense. We have seen angular brushes, we have seen the T-shaped brushes and 4-in-1 brush. Now this is a flat foundation brush by Mars. Basically first you can spread the foundation with and then blend. The top of the brush you can also use it to blend your contour. If you love these kinds of brushes, you can grab this. Now this is my old favorite brush which I thought of including because I still use it. This brush is from the Real Techniques Core Collection set. Real Technique brushes are known for their soft synthetic bristles and easy blending. This one works really well for buffing the foundation into the skin for a smooth natural finish. It's still available to buy, but it comes in a set, like 4 brushes set is there. I have washed it several times and the bristles are still good. I love this brush.
तो ये थे सारे फाउंडेशन ब्रशेस जिसमें से कुछ मैं सालों से यूज कर रही हूँ और कुछ नए हैं, बट फिर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं बिकॉज उनका परफॉर्मेंस सच में अच्छा है. सो आपको अगर ये ब्रशेस चेक करने हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने मेंशन कर दिए हैं लिंक्स, सो चेकआउट करना. एंड रिमेंबर, राइट फाउंडेशन ब्रश रियली मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस हाउ स्मूथली योर फाउंडेशन लुक्स आफ्टर ब्लेंडिंग.